Hey, welcome back to 22 DIY. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So today I'm going to be making a Dollar Tree DIY Christmas decoration for the wall. I'm going to leave all of the supplies I used for this video down in the description box below. A couple of the items did come from Hobby Lobby, but majority of the items were from Dollar Tree, and then the lights I used in this video I did get from Walmart. So the first thing I did was remove all of the plastic from the frames, and then I fought with this glue around this frame to get the glass out. I didn't realize when I got these frames that they were glued in. So if you were to recreate this yourself, I wouldn't recommend these frames in particular. So once I got all the glass removed, I laid out which characters and items I wanted in each frame. And I'm just going to go ahead and glue everything down with the hot glue gun. So while I'm gluing everything down, I'm just making sure that nothing is sticking out too far in the back, so that when I put this on the wall, there aren't any issues with it being flat against the wall. I wanted to point out right here that Santa Claus is missing an eye, and another one of the characters' face was messed up. So if you do decide to grab any of these little characters for any of your own projects or to recreate this project, just make sure you take a good look at the characters in the package before you buy them. Okay, so now that I have all 6 frames with all of their characters and pieces, I'm going to go ahead and start with the bottom row, and I'm going to glue the frames together. Okay, and when I measured the spaces on the side to kind of try to get this as even as possible, and it was just a little bit over 4 inches on each side. Alright, so once I glued this last frame on, I went ahead and flipped this over and started gluing the ornaments hanging at different lengths on the back of it, the little ledge on the frame. And I'm just using this pen to secure the rest of the string in there so I don't burn myself, and it was just a lot easier. So I went ahead and glued the rest of these ornaments on the back of the frames off camera. These are the lights that I got from Walmart that I mentioned in the beginning of the video. Now that I have all of the ornaments on, I went ahead and lined up the battery pack at the bottom of the frames, and then I'm going to go ahead and glue the lights around the back of the frames. I did attempt to tape these on here, but the tape wasn't holding up, so I went ahead and hot glued them. I just worked my way around until I got to the top. Now that I have all of the lights wrapped around, I went ahead and secured the rest of the lights to the top of the frames. And then I took the very end of the wire and wrapped it around to create a little bow. I did make this bow bigger later on. Next, I took this ribbon and wrapped it around the battery pack. So now that I have my little fake tree stump, I went ahead and secured that to the bottom of the picture frame. And then next up, I went ahead and made a bow out of this ribbon. So now that I have my bow made, I'm going to go ahead and glue that to the top frame in front of the light. Okay, and here's where you can see how I made the wired bow bigger so that I could spread the lights out better. Alright, and this is how the final product came out. Hung it up on the wall. I really love the way this came out. Let me know what you think in the comment section below, as well as what you'd like to see from me next. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share this video with a friend, and have a great day. Thank you for watching.